Students, am I audible or not? Am I audible, Srijana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So good afternoon to all of you. Please turn on your
Good
videos.
afternoon, ma'am.
Turn on your videos. Okay. I will take PSM practicals. Okay. The topic is on infection. PSM practical topic will be on infection. INFECTION, infection. There are few diagrams. Okay, I will show you. You will have to draw all of those diagrams in your practical copies.
Ma'am,
Infection. Yes.
which experiment is?
This is PSM practicals. PSM practicals. The topic is infection. Infection. Experiment name will be infection. Experiment means what? The name of the topic is actually infection. INFECTION, infection. Others turn on your videos. Only Tawyati has turned on the video. Infection. Okay. You change the paragraph, underline it, underline the topic, and you write infection is the infection is the invasion and multiplication of infection is the invasion. INVASION. Infection, the invasion. INVASION. Invasion and multiplication. Invasion and multiplication. Please mute yourself. And multiplication. MULTIPLICATION. Multiplication of microorganisms. Multiplication of microorganisms such as bacteria. BACTERIA, bacteria, comma, viruses, 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 and parasites. Viruses and parasites, PARASITS, and parasites that are normally present within the body. That are normally present within the body, BODY. That are normally present within the body. Okay. So what is infection? Infection is the invasion. Invasion of what? Of bacteria, okay, parasites, viruses. It is the invasion of all these microorganisms, and then it multiplies in your body. Okay, it will multiply and it is present inside the body, within the body. Some live inside the host body and the reservoir body. Okay, so you write number 1, bacteria. Number 1, Nikha, write down bacteria. Put a dash and write. Some bacteria are harmful. Some bacteria are harmful. HARMFUL. Some bacteria are harmful, but most serve as a useful purpose. But most serve as a useful purpose. PURPOSE. But most serve as a useful purpose. Srijana, you please collect the names, okay, from section B. And Anya and all are present. Anya and one more was there, no? What was her name? Saurav, present or absent? Absent. Okay. Roop Jyoti is present, right? Roop Jyoti?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tumi just collect koilo, section A. Section A or attendance.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Some bacteria are harmful, but most serve as a useful purpose. Full stop. They are microscopic. They are microscopic. Microscopic means what? It is visible only through a microscope. They are microscopic, comma, single-celled organism. Single-celled organism. SINGLE, single-celled, CELLED. They are not made up of numerous cells, okay, like humans. They are made up of a single cell. Single-celled organisms, ORGANISMS, organisms that exist in millions. That exist in millions. They are not 1, 2, 3,000 like that, okay? They are in millions. They are more than the population of human beings all over the world. Okay, they are more than us because they are very small, minute. Okay, that is visible only through a microscope, and they are counted in millions. They are more than the population of human beings. So millions, comma, both inside and outside other organisms. Both inside and outside other organisms. Other organisms means they can be present in human beings, they can be present in aquatic life, they can be present in animals, okay? In different organisms, different kinds of microscopic bacteria are present. Full stop. They are of 5 types mainly. They are mainly of 5 types. They are mainly of 5 types. Put a dash and write coccus, 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 comma, bacillus, 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 coccus, comma, bacillus, 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 comma, spirillum, SPIRRI, SPIRILLUM, spirillum, means it will be in a spiral shape. Okay, the shape will be spiral. Coccus mane round, it will be goal. Comma, rickettsia, 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 and mycoplasma. Mycoplasma, mycoplasma, PLASMA, plasma. So these are the 5 types of bacteria present. Okay, that are coccus, bacillus, spirillum, rickettsia, and lastly mycoplasma. You can underline the whole sentence. There are 5 types. This is an important line. It can come. I can ask you in Viva or else as a fill in the blank. One second. Huh? Are you able to see the screen?
No, ma'am. No.
Wait. Now, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so these are there are 2 types of bacteria. Okay, gram-positive bacteria and gram-negative bacteria. All the bluish or all the purple color is your gram-positive. Okay, and this gram-negative are the pinkish in coloration. It's not pink actually, but the thing is just for differentiation, so that you can know that this part is totally gram-positive and this part is totally gram-negative. Like for example, Staphylococcus, Clostridium botulinum, okay, Streptococcus
Ma'am, I
pneumonia.
can't hear your voice.
Okay, this is the back. Now is it okay? Is it okay now? Are you able to hear now? Acha, am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, are you able to see the screen? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the gram-positive bacteria: Streptococcus pneumonia, Clostridium, Pseudomonas, Staphylococcus. This is the Bacillus, Streptococcus pyogenes. Okay. So all these are gram-positive bacteria, and this is your gram-negative bacteria: Neisseria, Spirillum. Okay. Then Treponema. All these bacteria comes under your gram-negative bacteria. You can take the screenshot of this picture, and you have to draw this in your practical copy along with the names. Okay. Names of gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria are different. You should know the differentiation. If I ask you Clostridium is a gram-positive or gram-negative, then you should know that it is gram-positive bacteria. Take the screenshot. Have you taken, Sajarika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, write down. Wait. Can you see the screen now? I've shared one picture. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No. Now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the different shapes of, okay, so these are the different shapes of bacteria. Okay, Streptococcus pneumonia that causes pneumonia will be of this shape. It's in the shape of a coccus. Okay, then Clostridium tetani will be in this shape. Let's see the shapes. All the shapes are different. Can you see? There is not a single parasite. There is not a single bacteria that is similar in shape. Okay, and this causes different kinds of diseases in human body. Okay, this is responsible for cholera, this is responsible for typhoid. Okay, this is responsible for pneumonia. So all of these have their own way of harming the living organism. Okay, and let us say bacteriophage. Can you see the screen? Structure of bacteriophage. Can you see the screen?
Yes. Yes.
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is
No,
the structure of a bacteriophage. Okay. No, okay, wait.
Ma'am.
Wait, yeah, now are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the structure of bacteriophage. This will show, this is very important. Okay, this diagram, because it has all the structures. This upper portion is the head of the bacteria. This is the nucleic acid or the DNA inside, yellow coloration inside. This is the collar, and this is the sheet. This long sheet of the bacteria. Or in humans we have neck, but they don't have a neck. It is like a sheet. Okay, this is the base sheet. This is like a base, and these are the spikes. Can you see it's like a spider? So these are the spikes, and the last portion, this is known as the tail fiber. Okay, so you have to know the structure and the parts of a bacteriophage. Okay, take the screenshot of this picture. You will have to draw in your copy. You have to draw these and the gram positive and gram negative bacteria and do the coloration. Okay, in gram positive and gram negative, I've given you colors, right? Otherwise you will get you will be mistaken by the things. So put color if possible so that you can know. Have you taken a screenshot? Okay. Okay, you all do one thing. You join again for the class. The remaining meeting time is giving some problem. Okay, you join again for the class, all of you. You can leave the meeting and you can join again.